Hello guys, welcome to Net Experts. My name is Sitanshu Kapoor. Today I'm going to start fifth lecture of Microsoft Windows Server 2019 series. In this lecture, we are going to learn about how to upgrade Server 2016 to Server 2019. Let's start the session, guys. Before we start the upgradation of Server 2019, we need to understand the scenarios that we'll start with the Windows Server 2008. Then we with 2008. If I'm using Windows Server 2008, so first we need to upgrade to Server 2008 R2, then 12, then 12 R2, then 16, and then 19. So these are the process. It's not like that you can upgrade directly from Server 2008 to 16 or 2008 to 19. So we need to understand one to one. This is known as a in-place upgrade. In-place upgrade means first you can go for upgrade one by one addition. 2008 to 2012, then 12 to 16, then 16 to 19. We can go for 2012 to 19 as well directly. If you want to, like, imagine right now I'm using server 2012, I need to upgrade directly on server 2019. We can, but in Windows Server, Windows provides you in place upgrade. Over there we can go for one to one, like 2008 to 2012, then 2012 to 2016, then 2016 to 2019 editions, like this. Okay, but this is the place you can say that how we can go for upgradation of server 2019. So now if we talk about the additions of server 2019, so I already talked about, so you can see that uh, upgradation server 2016 to server 2019 editions, on which 16 edition is upgrade to on which server 2019 editions. So if you have server 2016 edition, so you can upgrade that edition to server 2019 standard or data center both. If you have a server 2016 standard edition, so we can upgrade that standard edition to 19 or data center as well. Server 2016 data center edition you can upgrade to 2019 as well. 2019 data center. Server 2016 essential edition is upgrade. You can upgrade to server 2019 essential, and server 2016 Hyper-V is going to upgrade to server 2019 Hyper-V also. So this is the way you can say that. Okay, it's not like that if you can if you have server 2016 essentials, so you can go for server 2000 data upgrade. You need to upgrade server 2019 data center, so it's not like that. You need to first go to 2016 essentials to 2016 standard, and then you can upgrade to 2019 standard or data center, like this. So this is the way, or this is the method we can go for that. So let's see how we can upgrade server 2016 data center to server 2019 data center. So let's see the practical, guys. So I have already one virtual machine. You can see that this is my virtual machine, server 1, and this is in server 2016. So if I go there, if I open the file explorer in my server, and if I showing you, if I go to this PC, properties, takes time to open properties. Go for properties, yes. So as you can see that my right now I'm using server 2016 data center, server 2016 data center evolution edition I'm using right now. Okay, so now I need to upgrade this 2016 data center to 2019. So first what do I need to do? I need to first set the image. I go to settings, my VM settings, and I need to first set the image. So I go for my DVD, go to browse, and I need to set the 2019 image over there. Just open that and click on OK. So I set the image. So I open my this PC. So as you can see that I inserted server 2019 image. I just right click on that and simple go to auto run, or you can simple just go for install and run the program from media. Just click on that. So it's just auto run your the DVD. So as you can see that I open my DVD drive again. Okay, auto run is not running, so not working. So I just open again my DVD drive, and this is the 2016 19 DVD. I just run setup. So I just right click on that and click run as administrator. So I'm going to start run setup on Server 2019. As you can see that it's preparing the Windows Server 2019. As you can see that it's preparing 40%. So it's prepare first and then you can go for that. Now, after complete the preparing, they ask me download updates, drivers, and optional features. If you want to download updates, new updates in Server 2019, so you can just click on that. Right now, I don't want to download anything. Just simple click on not right now, and accept this agreement, and click on next. We're checking your PC. So as you can see that we have two editions, Standard Edition and Data Center Edition. So I go for 2019 Data Center Edition with desktop experience. I'm using this. Click on next now. We are getting ready. You can see that I need to accept this license agreement. Click on accept. Okay, if you don't want to keep anything, you can go for this. If I don't want to keep nothing, I want that I need don't keep anything, just upgrade the server, just remove by server 2019 and upgrade the 2016 server. So simple click on next. Do you want to continue using the selection? Click on yes, I want to continue, and it's making you're ready to install. So now it's checking everything. Okay, if everything is fine, it starts the installation. Okay, so as you can see that ready to install, everything is fine now. Okay, so now just click on install, simple. So click on install. As you can see that now it's installing Windows Server 2019, 0% complete. So like this we can upgrade. So let's wait to complete the installation. So it takes time, guys. So like this is the process. You can say that you need to follow the process. You need to understand that which edition is going to upgrade to which edition. It's not like that if you have Server 2016 Essentials and you are going to upgrade 2016 Essentials to 2019 Data Center. It's not like that. You need at least 2016 Standard or 2016 Data Center to upgrade Server 2019 Data Center. So this is the process through which we can upgrade Server 2019. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you're able to understand this video. Please like and share the video. Please subscribe the channel for more Server 2019 videos. Thank you for watching, guys.